This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Jesus Christ!
From the small house down the road shortly after Spana's disappearance. The state police determined
The person that in the car isn't liable.
Right. But the car manufacturer could be.
Oh, oh, Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
I heard the wheel squeaking.
The car's wheel just came off and this motherfucker is driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Phải đi xịt nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ.
Oh my God!
Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
एंट्री कदी बड़ी चली जाएगी तो मर्जी करने वाला होगा लंबा रास्ता आ जाता आगे नहीं तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक डाउन लगी नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
Dude!
Well, I think it's the kind of thing where you need to emotionally be like, oh yeah, I don't care, but deep down you really kind of do.
Yeah.
But you got to tell yourself you don't care so that it's fine with you. At least in my experience. Not.
I think it's a thing too where it's like for the maybe 2 days, I think you can be a little more focused on like, well, it's kind of.
What are you doing, dumb?
What is up with everybody being parked right here? Oh. Alright, well.
So how can I help you? What the f? Okay, Garmin. Save video. And it's a BMW, because of course it is.
What the was that?
What the f are you doing?
What are you doing? Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Wrong way, dum-dum. You're in the wrong way. Back up. Back up. You're going the wrong way. Keep going. Your trunk is open. Good Lord. Okay, Garmin. Hey, you know your trunk's open? Your trunk is open. Can I close it for you?
Right, gotta spend more time. But like you said, maybe, oh my God, lady. Oh my goodness, okay. Everything okay?